Alright, we have finished up the recording session. So now I've got all of these lines in here. So what I would do next, if I was just a voice actor for a game and not the producer and not the audio engineer and all of those things, what I would do is deselect, make sure nothing is selected. I would go bounce project or section, and I would bounce the entire section in whatever format they are asking for. So MP3 is a very common, easily recognizable, easily readable file type, and the compression isn't horrible. So I would be so that's one possible file type that they could be asking for. And you would bounce the whole project. So we'll just drop it in here. And this would be Lundgren. You'd probably identify yourself somehow. So I'll use my last name. Then I'll do Christopher and Hunter. Then I would put probably the date. So you just write the date at the end. So that's going to go through and flatten the entire track. Okay, and once that is flattened, that's not the one. Ah, this one. Okay, here's our track. Okay, so you could listen to the whole thing and make sure you were pleased with it, and that's what we would be sending to the audio engineer. Now, if you were the audio engineer and you just received this file, or if you're working on your own lines, this is what we would be doing next.